So every time when you open the Notepad++, it will automatically check if there is update for that. So if you want to disable it, here is the option to do that. Let me open the Notepad++. And to disable the automatically update, you need to go to the settings here, and then you can find the preference at the first menu. Check that. And at the last menu, there is MISC dot. Check that. And here is the option to enable Notepad++ auto updater. So uncheck that, click close, and then you need to close the Notepad++, and after you reopen it, it won't check the update, and it won't pop up a window ask if you want to update your Notepad++. Okay, so hope you enjoyed this video. Have a nice day.